Well, first things first, I really love the title. It really sits well with me. For instance, if somebody ever said, "Something I never told you," and due to some unnecessary curiosity, my first reaction would, "What?" And let's just say that exactly what happened with this book and me. I just had to read it, and trust me, I did finish the whole book in one sitting. Something I Never Told You is a romantic love story of an average looking guy named Ronnie who lives in Delhi and has one-sided love with a girl named Adira who used to stay as a paying guest at his grandma's house. It has been 3 years that he was following her and not able to tell her about his feelings. On the other side, Adira's faith on love was shaken as her parents were getting divorced. To her, love is something which can happen in books and movies only. After 3 years, Ronnie's fate changes when he comes to know that the girl with whom he was madly in love started working with him. He gets a chance to go to Australia with Adira by their organization, where they interact with each other and becomes not just friends but more than that. After returning back to India, they started to meet frequently and eventually got involved in a very serious relationship. We start to take things for granted over the period of time, and this is what happened with Ronnie as well. His friends always used to demotivate him by saying that he would not be able to win Adira's heart. As the time passes, Ronnie's ego grows up, and as a result of his huge ego, whenever they used to fight, he never used to apologize, even when he used to make the mistakes. However, Adira used to forgive him each time. She used to say the sorry to him. Things got worse when Ronnie ended his love story with an ugly fight and stating she is no more to her. At that night, Adira met with an accident and went into coma. Since then, Ronnie is waiting for her to be conscious and live again. He is waiting for the day when she would break her silence and he will get a chance to say her sorry. Unfortunately, that day has never come till date. The book was written and published by Ronnie, dedicated his hoping that one day Adira would break her silence and would read it, as book reading was a favorite pastime. Now, let's know something about the author. Shravya loves to find hidden stories around her and write novels about them. Formerly a corporate employee, she managed to flee the madness after few years of boredom to become a full-time writer. She is a sucker for romance and strives to pen down exciting stories. When she is not reading and writing, she is out enjoying nature, playing with her dogs and cooking for her family. She lives in Melbourne with her family in a house with a barren backyard and a lifetime's collection of books. Finally, the book comes with an end with the line, "She was gone again and I failed again and could not tell her how much I loved you." Thank you for watching.